Today I'm tagging along with the boys. We're back out here at Lake Pardee. The last time I came out here was about 10-15 years ago. Been quite some time. The setup for today is just a Carolina rig with about a 1/4 ounce bullet weight, and a 3 to 4 feet leader with garlic power bait. So right now it's about 7 a.m. 7-ish. We'll see if anything hits. We just got here and I lost one on my rod already. I haven't been fishing for the past 2-some months. Ain't got the feel of fishing no more, so we'll see.
Where'd you want this, Bill? What? Just throw it back in my tackle box.
Beautiful morning on a weekday. Nobody here. There's a couple over there that caught maybe 5 or 6 already. Rainbows and lightning trouts. I think the one that broke my line was a lightning.
Yeah, the lightning are big here.
Yeah. The minute it hit and I set and I hooked it, lightning shocked my line and broke my line off. God damn it.
Just poking each other.
I haven't fished for 2 months plus, and my first fish broke off. That's sad.
Poking is like salmon, right?
Yeah, but they're small. They're only like 10 inches. Rooster tail or Castmaster?
Rooster tail.
Rooster tail.
Let's try since they're jumping.
Hold on, bro.
Mighty came off.
Wait, you came off?
Oh, nope, he didn't come off.
Huh?
No.
What do you think?
Yeah.
GoPro on?
Yeah.
Oh, my sock is wet.
Type shit. That shit kinda big. Yeah.
Sock is wet.
I am the trout master.
Whatever.
Out here with the boys at Lake Pardee. They said they planted about 2 days ago 2,000 pounds of trout.
That's 1 out of what? 20? Yeah.
We got
Dude, I'm gonna tie mine on.
2 hits. I
gonna tie
missed
mine
one.
on.
My nephew hooked up one. Sun is coming up. Fish is starting to bite. So we'll see. Fish on. Again. Damn. Trout is hot. Lake Pardee, everybody. Power bait. Enjoy it, man. Drag. Look at how that rod bent. Is it another lightning?
Hey, are you? I couldn't see it.
Oh, damn.
It's a big one.
Oh, damn. Let it drag. You probably have 6-pound line only.
No way.
Yeah, way. You better hurry.
I know, man.
Another lightning.
Lightning?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot. Lightning again?
Yeah, lightning. Slowly.
You guys are killers, man.
No. Look at how that rod bends. Man. Let's see. Just slowly. He's big.
Man, that drag, bro.
He's big.
Your time was
That rod is hella bent. Try to bring him over here.
I like this rod.
Come on this side right here. Yeah, that way he'll come. You have to come this way, Bill. Right here. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Try to come around that way. Yeah, he's coming here. Yeah, bring him back out this way. Okay. You're all wet, boy. Hold on. We'll just bring it in.
He's a big eye.
Oh, net him. Yeah, right in there. There, lift up. Good job.
My shoes.
I guess this is the place where you get your shoes all wet, right?
Oh, my socks. That's a fat one.
Nice,
I
nice,
think he beat all of them.
nice.
Next to that buoy right there.
Don't kill him now.
Nice. He's a monster. Oh my God, fatty. He don't fit my frying pan.
Hopefully he don't cross our line.
No. Oh, no. I'm like, up on the buoy. You're just so willing.
Don't keep him in there.
Bro, making claw. Mine. I think mine got scared.
No, I think you're probably off. Yeah, you did get bit. You got bit earlier.
Bruh. What the? I guess.
Maybe a single? It's a lightning.
Where's the net?
Maybe a single, Bill. A single. I think a single. Just reel your line a little bit so it don't snap.
How's my rod feel?
It's good. He ate both. Fat.
Bro, he ate both.
Lightning trout. Dude, he ate both of them.
He ate both.
He ate both power bait, both
Yeah.
rod. He ate both.
Man, very nice.
Very hungry to be eating both.
Oh, shoot. That's a beauty fish.
Why you yank so hard, fool? It's not a striper. Keep going, keep reeling. You already yanked it.
Did you get him?
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, he did.
Bruh.
Why you yank like a striper?
Bro,
Damn.
You don't need to set it that hard, boy. You gonna rip them out of the mouth. You sure you got him?
Yeah, he got it. This is how you fish trout.
Ethan, cross yours. It crossed yours. Hold on. Just check your line. Reel, just keep it tight. Reel, if it runs, then the drag is on. Go under, over, or under. Yeah. You guys all right? Just leave yours, Ethan.
I can't leave mine because mine's all up in seaweed now. Damn, big ass lightning trout. Another.
Rainbow.
Oh, that's a rainbow. That's a nice one.
It's a rainbow now.
My feet are gonna get so wet.
You should just take your socks off.
That's what I said
It's a
to them.
lightning.
Oh shit.
It's a lightning.
Oh, the water's cold.
Slow, Eric. Don't force him.
That is lightning. This is hella lightning.
Don't force him.
They said they released 1,000 something pounds of.
Yeah, 1,500 pounds of lightning.
No, it's 1,500 pounds of rainbow and 500 pounds of lightning.
Oh. Bring him to Dill. No, I purposely said like. Get him, Dill. Your shoes all wet.
It was bound to happen. I'm telling you, it's best to just take the socks off.
There
like
we
you
go.
did. That's a big one too.
These socks are done for.
I yanked them.
Just dry it up on the bench, bro.
I kind of yanked them too hard.
Yeah, you don't need to yank it that hard, bro.
My fault. I saw him kind of like take it, so I was just like,
Good job. Fish on.
Oh.
Try again.
Keep drilling, bro.
I'm better.
Did you get them?
Yeah. I think.
Maybe both of you guys always get the same fish.
Probably the same fish again.
Brothers
Oh,
catch.
wait. Nope. Maybe.
Brothers catch the same fish. See, it's crossing over to Ethan's line. Just go over because he's swimming high. Damn. You better watch it. You might need to go over mine too. Look at that, Ethan. Just keep it in line right there.
I might need to take off my socks.
Is it going over mine or under?
Big ass lightning.
That one's hella big as lightning. It's crossing everything.
Is it going under?
Did it go under?
I think it's over. Yeah. Oh.
Why are you fishing? I think I fish.
Yeah, just stay up there.
Where's it going?
Go, stay on the left, right over here. Over here.
Go over, you're hitting the
Yeah,
bush,
yeah.
bro.
You go over there.
Come back.
Yeah, just control him over there. Hey, tighten your drag a little bit. Just a little bit, not too much.
This man is big.
It's okay, he's coming. He's coming. It's big, bright yellow, orange. Slowly, tire him out. Right there, Ethan.
No.
Never mind.
He is not ready, man.
Pay attention, Ethan. He's a monster. Good. Just stay right there and use your rod and your reel to control him.
You can pull him in. There's water right there.
Yeah, reel and then kind of slowly lift. Bro,
I guess the overhand works.
okay.
We got it.
The way he net, he go over it.
Sock is wet.
That's why we took our socks off.
Damn,
He's giant.
This one's big.
He's like a
they're
salmon.
all big, I think.
Reel my shit in because I think my power big enough.
I think this guy took yours and then he went to mine.
There's a big ass spider on mine.
Yeah.
Just put him on
Pop him out the net.
Yeah, this one's huge. I don't think we could cook this one.
Jesus Christ.
Big hook set for big fish. Man, it's hot now.
Hey, you tore up his mouth. The way you said hook.
No,
Please, go again. Take it again.
you're gonna come to me.
Just taking it.
Here we go. Record.
No.
There we go. Hit record, hit record.
Good job. You got him?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's on. It's a rainbow.
Dang, he's up over there.
Feisty rainbow. Like twisting and tossing and turning. And
Sure, that's not kokanee?
Coconut's all white. Coconut look like
That's hella small, bro.
It's a rainbow. Those are the ones
These
that
are
are,
the good eating ones.
yeah, those are the ones that are perfect for the fryer. Those lightning ones are not so great for the fryer.
that. The lightning bird, you should bake it.
Yeah,
That's really easy.
that's the rainbow. Look how red this fish is.
Rainbow nice.
It's a pretty rainbow.
Set it on the board. Oh, is that a wild?
It's a pretty, it is a wild.
Yeah.
Because the adipose fin is still on there. Look how red that spot is.
That one look better than than your planted one right there. It'll be like 90, almost 100 degrees today. We had a pretty successful day fishing today.
Well, at least in the morning. But past 6. Now we're going home. Alright guys. Well, the bite slowed down completely. We got here a little bit after 6 a.m. this morning. The bite was off the hook. It was back to back. But once the sun got up high, it started getting hot and the bite slowed down completely. So we're probably just gonna call it a day. We caught 6, 4 lightning and 2 rainbow. So if you want to come out here, make sure you're early before the sun comes up. Guarantee action. Alright, until next time, peace out.